So welcome students. So in this question, given that x1, x2, x3 so on up to xn are observations, and the mean of those observations is x bar, and the variance of those observations is sigma square. Now you're asked to find the variance of two xi's, that is, if you double each of this observation, the variance is given as 4 sigma square. You have to say whether it is right or wrong. And the mean of the new observations, if you double the observations, is given that the new mean is 4 times the original mean. So you have to see the truthfulness or falsity of these statements. Again, this is a very straightforward question from the topic of statistics, and this is a direct formula based question. We have this theory in statistics. So what does the theory says? If you multiply any digits, if you multiply the observations with k, so if you multiply the given observations with a scalar k, if you multiply each of these observations with a scalar k, the mean, original mean, will become k times, and original variance, the variance will become k square times the original variance, and the standard deviation becomes k times the standard deviation. So whenever you multiply the observations with k, the mean becomes k times, the variance becomes k square times, and the standard deviation becomes again k times. These are the three things that you need to remember. And if you want the derivations, you can go to the theory and see. So now, if you know this, assume that you have understood this in your theory. So how do we apply it to this question? So variance of 2xi is 4 times the original variance. So I am multiplying the observations with 2. That means k is equal to 2. So what does the variance become? Variance becomes 2 square times original variance. That is 4 times original variance, which is true. So the first statement is true. And what does the mean become? Mean of 2xi is, according to this theory, it is 2 times the mean, 2 times the original mean. But here it is given that it is 4 times the original mean. And this is false. So the first statement is true. The second statement is false. Thank you.